Hello, YouTube world, and welcome to another episode of Focus Knob. If you're like me and your binoculars don't have a tripod mount built in, like this one, and you want to mount it to a tripod, here's one solution for you. Use a super clamp like this one. This is a photographic clamp that you normally use to mount cameras or lighting. So you would clamp this to a stand or a pole like so, and then you would attach various equipment to these holes like a camera or lighting. Here it comes with a cold shoe attachment. So you would attach this to the 1/4 inch threaded hole. So now you could attach any equipment with a cold shoe attachment over there. And it also comes with these studs with quarter inch threaded ends. This one's a 3/8 threaded end, and then you could attach these on any of these holes and attach any of your equipments like so. But like I said, my purpose for this clamp is to use it as a binocular clamp. I already have a binocular clamp, a big one for my bigger binoculars like this one. This is a Manfrotto, but you could see the size difference and the weight difference. So what I like about this is that it is smaller, lighter weight. It's made of mostly aluminum, and the knob end has like a ball bearing over here. Ball bearings in a cage, which makes the knob spin really smoothly. So let's measure the jaw opening. So the jaw opens up to a max of 50 millimeters, which is perfect for my 10x42 binoculars. Tighten that knob and that's gonna work. That looks perfect to me, and it holds the binoculars pretty well without over tightening the knob. But the reason I got these smaller clamp is for my smaller binoculars like this one. This is the 8x25, and this one's gonna be perfect for this. Not too big, not too small, just right. Perfect. The binocular is not slipping. Yep, this is gonna work. So now, let's test it out on a tripod and see how it tests in a real world. I've got the clamp attached to my tripod. Let's open up the jaw. That really opens up really smoothly. I really like that. And install the binocular. Tighten it, but not over tighten it, because the binocular is made out of plastic. That looks really good. I've got no problems with that. And let's test it out with the smaller binoculars. Nice. That definitely looks much better than the bigger clamp. Yeah, this is perfect for smaller binoculars. I like it. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and let me know. And if you don't like it, leave a comment down below. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel for more future projects. Alright, until next time, see ya.